Having a glowing skin is a dream for everyone. However, you might get several skin problems such as oily skin, pimples, blackheads, acne, etc. Among them, dry skin is a very common condition that can make the skin look less smooth and soft. There are many reasons for rough, dry skin, including weather, environmental factors, and lifestyles. Here are 5 recipes for homemade face masks for dry skin. 1. Coffee face mask. Rubbing the ground coffee on the skin will get rid of dead skin cells and allow you with smoother skin, according to Organic Authority. Coffee softens the skin and helps to restore moisture as well. According to several studies, the coffee ground extract helps to protect your skin from damage caused due to UVB rays. Moreover, using coffee directly on your skin helps reduce the appearance of redness, sunspots, wrinkles, and fine lines. One study found that drinking coffee has a positive effect on reducing aging effects. Directions: you need to prepare 2 tablespoons of ground coffee, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of honey. Then, mix these ingredients and spread the mixture onto your face. Wait for half an hour and finally, wash off your mask by using water. 2. Coconut oil face mask. Coconut oil also is really good for dry skin treatment. The fatty acids in it help provide moisture to the skin. Coconut oil is used traditionally to moisturize dry skin and deal with atopic dermatitis. Also, coconut oil resulted in a 68% reduction in eczema severity, which makes it more effective than the mineral oil in treating eczema. Directions: take 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil, 1 inch of mashed ripe banana, and 3 frankincense essential oil drops. Then, whip all the ingredients together by using a spoon or fork and apply it to your clean face. Rinse off after 20 minutes after that. Finally, pat dry and moisturize. 3. Butter. Butter is a powerhouse of fatty acids and vitamin A. The fatty acids moisturize the skin while vitamin A helps in enhancing collagen production. Besides, butter brings one natural glow on your face, which is extremely useful for the dry, dull, and flaky skin. Also, it is an anti-inflammatory agent. According to a study in the Journal of Oleoscience, shea butter helps to reduce inflammation. Directions: first of all, you need to prepare 1 tablespoon of softened butter, 1 teaspoon of raw, unfiltered honey, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of lemon juice. Place all of these ingredients into one small bowl and combine well until they are creamy and thick. Lather this mask in a thin layer onto the face. Leave it to sit for around 20 to 30 minutes. Finally, remove by using a warm wet washcloth and then pat the skin dry. 4. Avocado. Avocado is a great choice if you want to treat dry skin at home. This fruit has a lot of benefits for health and the skin as it may moisturize the skin effectively and make it glowing dramatically. Plus, avocado is full of fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins that help improve the skin from the inside. Besides, this fruit is rich in vitamin A that aids in skin repair and maintenance to restore silky and smooth skin. Directions: you just need a 1/4 cup of honey and 1/2 a ripe avocado. You mash the avocado in a bowl and mix it with the honey. Apply on the face for 10 minutes before rinsing off with a cool washcloth. 5. Apricot and olive oil. Apricot is one of the best natural masks for your dry skin. An apricot contains vitamin A and essential fatty acids, so it's great for irritated, dry skin. In addition, it contains moisturizing properties that keep the skin cells hydrated and prevent any drying effects related to exfoliating your skin, giving you a softer and healthier skin surface. Olive oil in this mask is full of nutrients. Directions: you prepare some apricots and some extra virgin olive oil. Mash the apricot and the olive oil. Mix the ingredients together and stir it well. Apply it to the face by your fingertips, massage it gently, and avoid the eye area. Leave it for 1 minute before washing off with warm and cold water alternately. Pat the face dry with a soft towel. You might apply a light moisturizer afterward. You can replace apricot with peach, avocado, or a ripe banana. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, make health your greatest wealth. If you like more tips on home remedies, subscribe to the channel.